Welcome, in front of me it's a Samsung POWERbot vacuum robot cleaner, and I will show you how to empty a trash can. You need to open the vacuum cleaner front cover and press this button simultaneously and pull out the whole dust collector, and then you need to press this and open it, and be careful because all the dust will be thrown out, and do it over the trash can. Click it back and push it back until you hear the click, and this is how you empty a dustbin collector on a Samsung POWERbot vacuum cleaner. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.